So we need to identify whether the given series is convergent or divergent, and if it's convergent, we need to find its sum. So let's substitute n equals 1 to find the first term of the series. We will get that the first term is 6 over 4 minus 1 is 3, and 4 plus 3 is 7, so it's 6 over 21. The second term would be 6 over 7 times 11, so it's 6 over 77. The next term is 6 over 165, and so on. Since the value of n tends to infinity, the denominator also tends to infinity. That means that the largest term tends to 0. So because the denominator gets larger, so the whole term gets smaller. So when the denominator tends to infinity, the term tends to 0. So that means that the series is converging. So it's converging. Now let's try to do some manipulations with this series to find the sum of it. So I will just continue writing. This equals the sum of 6 over 4 times 4n plus 3 minus 4n minus 1 divided by 4n minus 1 times 4n plus 3, where n goes from 1 to infinity. Then this equals 3 over 2 times the sum of 4n plus 3 divided by 4n minus 1 times 4n plus 3, and minus 4n minus 1 divided by 4n minus 1 times 4n plus 3, and goes from 1 to infinity. Then this equals 3 over 2 times the sum of 1 over 4n minus 1 minus 1 over 4n minus 3, where n goes from 1 to infinity. Now we substitute the values for n, and we get that this becomes 3 over 2 times 1 over 3 minus 1 over sorry, here we have 1 n plus 3, 1 over 7 plus 1 over 7 minus 1 over 11 plus 1 over 11 minus 1 over 15, and so on until 1 over 4n minus 1 minus 1 over 4n plus 3. So as you see, a lot of the terms here cancel out. So 1 over 7 cancels out, 1 over 11 cancels out, 1 over 15 will cancel out, 1 over 4n minus 1 will cancel out. So we are only left with the first term and the last term. Then this equals 3 over 2 times 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4n plus 3. Then this equals 2n over 4n plus 3. So the sum of this series is 2n over 4n plus 3.